Hello and welcome. Today we're looking at a new feature being introduced into Manage360, the ability to configure and update your regional settings. And it's important because you want to be able to change what your date formatting looks like, your time, currency if you're in an area outside of North America, your address, and phone numbers. You'll also be able to set the first day of the week in your calendar view, so that's important as well. So let's take a look inside of Manage360 to see how all of this works. So when you first log in, you'll be on your task screen, your home screen, and you'll go to settings. You'll click on your name and go to settings. You'll scroll down, and under My Company Settings, you'll see regional settings and formatting. And here, it'll be blank by default, and so you can set it however you would like. So under a locale default, you can choose from the initial regions that we've put in to start with. So we have English Canada, English Great Britain, English New Zealand, and English United States. And that's reflective of where we have Manage360 clients. So choosing English United States, that will choose the appropriate time, date, currency, format, address, and phone. And you can also select the default first day of the week for the calendar view, and you can set that to any day of the week. Conversely, if you select English Great Britain, for example, it'll select the appropriate time format. You can change that time format to any format that you would like in the drop-down, any of the different date formats available, and choose the different long date formats. So if you want to spell out exactly the long date. So when you do that, if you, let's say we change the date format, so here's an example of what that would look like. If we choose the hour dot minute example, so that's how it would show up, 1.00 a.m. And the date, the difference in date formatting as well. So you'll see an example of what that will look like before you apply your changes. So again, if we select a different format and go back to Great Britain, you'll see that it selects the currency symbol, the appropriate pound symbol. If we go back and select English United States, it goes back to the dollar amount, and you can change the dollar or the currency symbols here. So we have the dollar, the euro, and the pound. And so as an example, if we go back to Great Britain and we save our settings, it'll want us to log out to apply the changes. So we'll log out, we'll log back in, and the settings have been changed. And we know that because we can go back and we'll look at an estimate, and we can see all along the side we have the pound symbol as our currency moving forward. And if we're going to an estimate, when we do that, we'll also see all of the currency values as the pound here as well. So this has been applied throughout the system, including reports. So you have full control over updating the formatting of your date, time, currency, and address and phone number and how they appear, and being able to select the default first day of the week on the calendar view. My name is Joe Salemi. I'm the Product Marketing Manager with DynaSCAPE Software. My contact information is here. Please reach out if you have any comments, questions, or would like to see some additional information. Thank you. Take care.